Tinbird in flight can now be yours with new Tinbird. This amazing flying toy made of durable materials with tear-proof wings is designed to last for years, and it's so easy to use. Just wind up the rubber band, press the button next to its head, and the bird will do the rest. Flying like a real bird, beating its wings over 50 metres, new Tinbird is more than just a toy. It's a precision-crafted technical invention, patented and made in France. Relative to its weight, it is both more powerful and can go further than a jet plane.